Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study how to draw pie diagram with the help of given information and examples from practice set 6.6 are based on this point. Now let's see example number 1 of practice set 6.6. First example is the age group and number of persons who donated blood in a blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pie diagram from it. Now here age group is given 20 to 24, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and number of persons are 80, 60, 35 and 25. Before drawing pie diagram we have to find measures of central angle, because for circle or for pie diagram we need measures of central angle, and for that we have to prepare one table. In that table, first column will be as it is, that is of age group. Second, number of persons, this also same as it is. Third, one more column we have to add, and that column will be of measures of central angle. Then let's draw a table first. Dear friends, now in solution we have to draw table vertically. This is horizontal, we have to draw vertical. Now first column as it is, number of here ages, age group, number of persons second as it is. Third, we have to add this column here, measures of central angle. Now these both I copy here as it is. Age group 20 to 25 I write here. Second 25 to 30, 30 to 35 and 35 to 40. Okay, I copied from example. This is example. Number of persons are also right here. 80, 60, 35, 25. Now I erase this. Before drawing pie diagram we have to prepare table in this way. First two columns from the example, third only we added. Now here these are frequencies. Here add all these frequencies here. This is called n is equal to addition of all frequencies. Add these numbers because we need this number addition. 5 plus 5 is 0. Here 5 plus 5 10, 0 here 1 carried over. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20. N is equal to 200. Okay, now measures of central angle for each age group. Now here what is first 80. See, 80 divided by total 200 multiplied by, we are finding central angle, that's why into 360. This is the part of solution, very important part. Central angle we are finding now, and with the help of this only we will draw pie diagram. Okay, therefore what is frequency of first class? 80 divided by total multiplied by 360. 365 multiplied by 360 because central angle we are finding, that's why. And if you solve this you will get answer here. You can directly, now here you see 0 cancel, this 0 cancel, this 0 cancel we can, and here 2 1s are here, 2 4s are 8, and multiply here 6 4s are 24, 2 carried over, here 2 carried over, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14 degree here, 144 degree, that is the measure of central angle of this class age group. Okay, let's continue same. In this way you have to continue now. 60 upon total, always upon total, multiplied by 360, same way. Here 1 0 cancel, 2 second 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, and here multiplication, 6 3s are 18, 1 carried over, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 108 degree. Second measure of central angle we got. 35 upon total multiplied by 360 is equal to, now here this 0 we can cancel. Now do reduction here. By 5 we can do 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20. Okay, then 2 1s are here, and here 9s are 9 7s are 63 degree. Method is same for all examples. Last, 25 upon 200 multiplied by 360 is equal to this 1 0 cancel by 5 5 5s are 5 4s are 4 1s are 9s are 9 5s are 45. Okay, now how to verify, how to check that all this calculation is correct or not? Add them, and if you get 360, correct, otherwise wrong means somewhere wrong. Let's add it, and if you get 360, our table is correct. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, 16 plus 4 20, 2 carried over, here I carry 2, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 4 16, 1 carried over, 1 2 3, 360 degree. You see, 360 degree means table is correct. Now half of the part of this solution is over, table is over. Now we have to draw pi diagram, and for pi diagram, first of all we have to draw a circle of any radius. Now dear friends, table is completed. For pi diagram we have to draw circle of any radius. Circle is drawn. Okay, and after drawing circle, you fix one radius anywhere, because we have to draw angles now. Here one radius is fixed. Here I take center O, and here OA is radius, and these are angles. We have to draw all these angles here using protractor. Okay, now one by one we will draw. First angle is 144. Now here you know how to draw now. 144. Okay, 144 from this side, 0 scale. 144, this is obtuse. 140 here, draw it very carefully. 140, 144 is here. I first plot the point and draw a radius. Don't go out of the circle. Draw till radius only. Here B, OB. Okay, and now here angle is 144. Here are 144 degree, and what is age group of this? 20 to 25 age group. Okay, now 144 is over. Now continue 108 second. Use protractor for that. On OB you have to keep protractor on OB. Okay, in this way. And 108 again, 0 scale, this side 0 scale. 108, 100 is here, 5 is here, 6 7 8. I plot the point, and then using scale draw radius. Don't go out of the circle, only radius from center till here. Here C I write. What is degree here? 108 degree. We write here, and age group is 25 to 30. Okay, 108 is over. Third is 63. On OC we have to keep, here radius is OC, we want 63. See 63 from here, 60 is here, 63 is here. I plot the point first and using scale draw radius. (63°). I write here 63° and age group is 30 to 35. Okay, and last is 45. Only one is left remaining, 45°. Therefore here remaining is 45° and age group is 35 to 40. In this way we have to draw pie diagram using the table. Let's see example number 2. The marks obtained by a student in different subjects are shown. Draw a pie diagram showing the information. Subjects are given, marks are given. We have to draw a table first using this and then pie diagram. Friends, in solution we have to draw same table but vertically. Now here first column of subject, second column is of marks, third column will be of that we are going to add by ourselves, that is of measures of central angle. That is very important. Measures of central angle. In this way you first prepare a table of 3 columns. Okay, then only we can continue. Now here subjects: English, Marathi. Now I erase here. Science, maths, social science, last Hindi. These are subjects. Now marks we want. Column is of marks. English 50, Marathi 70 here, Science 80, Maths 90, Social Science 60 and Hindi 50. Okay, we have drawn this table we want for the pie diagram. Without this table we cannot draw pie diagram. Let's find out measures of central angle. First, before that, total we want. 0 0 0 here, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 8 20, 29 35 40. Total is 400. Okay, now it is easy. Take one by one. 50 upon total 400 multiplied by 360 is equal to, now let's do calculation. 0 cancel, second 0 cancel. Now here by 4 ones are 4 9s are here and 9 5s are 45. First measure of central angle we got 45°, that is of English. Second Marathi, 70 upon 400 multiplied by 360. 0 cancels, this second 0 cancel, 4 1s are, 4 9s are, 9 7s are 63°. Okay, third 80 upon 400 multiplied by 360. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 9 1s are 9 here, 4 1s are 9s are 36, 9 8s are 72°. Okay, now here 90 upon 400 multiplied by 360. Same method is same. 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 1s are, 9s are, 9 9s are 81°. Social science 60 upon 400 multiplied by 360 is equal to this 1 0 cancel, second 0 cancel, 4 1s are 4 9s are 36, 9 6 are 54 degree. Last now 50 upon 400 multiplied by 360 is equal to 0 cancel, second 0 cancel, 1s are 9s are 45 degree. Now verify, find out here, addition now. 5 plus 3 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 2 carried over, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 26, 26, 32, 36, 360 degree. See, 360 degree now, and table is correct. Okay, now draw a circle with any radius and then draw all these angles in that circle. Now dear friends, circle is drawn of any radius. Now let's draw angles using protractor. Before that, first you draw a radius, fix one radius, then it will be easy for us to draw angles. Now this is one radius. Now 45 first, here radius OA. Okay, draw 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 is here. I plot the point and draw radius with 45 degree. Here B, angle 45 degree, and which subject is here? English. Therefore here write subject name English. Okay, second 63. Now here on OB, keep protractor on OB. We have to draw 63 angle, 63, 63, 60 here, 1 2 3, here it is coming. Okay, now I draw radius. Here I write C, 63 degree, and subject is Marathi. Second angle is drawn. Now 72 on OC you have to keep 72, 72, this zero scale we have to say 70 is here, 71, 72 is here, 72 degree. (72) is here, 72 degree. Subject is science. After that 81. Now keep like this protractor downwards. Okay. How much? 81. 81. 80 is here. 81. Here is 81 degree. Subject is maths. Then 54. A, B, C, D here, E here. Radius, no? Now keep here on OE and 54. 50, 54 is here. Is here, 54 degree, and social science and last remaining 45 degree. Subject Hindi. In this way pi diagram is completed. But for pi diagram table is must. Without table, if you draw pi diagram, you will get 0 mark. Remember that. That's why when you draw pi diagram, table and then pi diagram, then only you will get full marks. Dear friends, let's see example number 3. In a tree plantation program, the number of trees planted by students of different classes is given. In the following table, draw pi diagram showing the information. Now here standards are given 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are standards, and number of trees planted by these classes are 40, 50, 75, 50, 70, 75. We have to show this information by pi diagram. But as you know that before drawing pi diagram we have to draw table. We have to find measures of central angle. Then only it is possible. Now let's draw. Then both the columns as it is in the solution, and the third measures of central angle. Let's draw table first. Now for the solution, first table is drawn. This is the first column of standard, second column of number of trees, and here central angle we are going to find now. Okay, before that find out n value. N means sum, total. 5 plus 5 0, here 5 plus 5 10, 0 is taken, 1 carried over. 7 plus 7 14, plus 1 15, 15 plus 5 20, 27, 27 plus 5 29, 29 plus 4 33. Let's check again, because if it is wrong then the whole example, whole solution will be wrong. 5 plus 5 10, 1 carried over. 7 plus 7 14, plus 1 15, 15 plus 5 20, 27, 27, third 27 plus 5 32, 32 plus 4 36, 36, 360 is coming. Now if it is 36, 360 degree, it is very easy. 40 upon total 360 multiplied by 360, 360 cancel, 40 degree. It is very easy. Means same angles will be there, whatever number of trees, that these many degrees, 36, 30, 360 cancel. 50 upon 360 multiplied by 360, 360 cancel, 50 degree. 75 upon 360 into 360, 75 degree. 50 upon 360 into 360, 50 degree. 70 upon 360 into 360, 70 degree. Last 75 upon 360 into 360 is equal to 75. And as here 360, it will also be 360, but here degree. Table is over. It is very easy. Now let's draw a circle with any radius. Here table is prepared, circle is drawn with any radius. Now you fix here one radius first. And now draw these angles here. First radius, I take here OA, 40 degree. First angle is 40 degree. Degree is here. But don't go out of the circle. we want radius only. Here B, central angle is 40 degree and standard is 5th. Now for 6th standard 50 degree. Now on OB you keep protractor, -50 50 is here. Here C, 50 degree, 6th standard. Okay, third angle is 75. Now 75, keep protractor like this, vertically straight, and 75 degree, draw 75 degree angle, down 0 scale, 75 is here, 75. This is 75 degree, 7th standard. D, OD, 75 is over. Now next is 50. Draw 50 degree, protractor downwards now, because we are rotating in this way. 75 is over, 50 degree now. 50 degree is here. Draw radius. Use protractor carefully. CD, E here, what is 50 degree, and 8th standard this is. Now 9th standard, 70 degree, 70 degree, keep protractor here on OE, 70 degree is here. First plot point and then join that till radius. Fi right here, this angle is 70 degree, standard is 9th, and last remaining automatically we get 75 degree. This is 10th standard. Now in this way pi diagram is drawn using this table.